We never dreamt that Nigeria will attack Biafra. We never. So when we were attacked, we were not ready. If we had known we were going to be attacked, we wouldn't have bothered to go to that extent. Afambo, Major General Alex Nwachieke, Omunwa command the army in the Biafra. Area Bido, July 1967. By September, commander, that's Onwanabo, Kanulara, Mbudi commander. Biafra in 1967, I'm probably the oldest living Biafran official. I mean official. I was about third in the hierarchy. Ojukwu, Effiong, then myself. I know that the aim of Biafra then was to find a way of protecting the Igbos. There was a lot of killing, and thousands, if not millions, of Igbos were in the east, some without hands or legs or head even. And those in the army knew that the only way to save what was left was to form a sort of force, not necessarily independence. You have to have an army for even looking after Biafra itself, not going to war. Anom n'iru ọgụ ebe egbe izizi gba na June or July of 67. Anom na Gakem. Anọkwa ewe gba almost the last na 1970 as commander. Ebukata ndị Igbo. Mụnwa a colonel that time, and abia no gwam as the onye officer army on top na Kaduna, most senior. Abia onye ugwu bia gwam si na aga egbu ndị Igbo. Very prideful. Nage ebundi Igbo. Nage na mama a survival. Nage na ndị ugwu decide to go nage ebundi Igbo niile. Maka na egbu Sadwana. Egbu eme coup, first coup. So Mwa bam aeroplane jegwe ironsi. Kabu mbidaya jegwe ironsi sina nekwipafu nage bundi Igbo. Na Igbo chesie ndị ugwu declare independence. Gbajie bridge jeba, gbajie nke Makodi declare that facts, figures. I don't see about that time onye isi police army. I mean ugwu Hausa onye ndị niile onye yani anọ n'office Brigadier Johnson ọmụgwọ osimugwa fukwa efe nkwu. One do good, no, Mwa accused Agwamu and Zuzo. I said I wouldn't be intimidated. Ekwu mere ọnụ a ga-ntị gbee ntị a ga-ekwuliri. In the end, Hiroshi didn't believe. A long story, he died. But immediately, also now my man gave myself a